can be possible. That one it can.
Sikan so assembly sikan so the brewer in brother home fireway,
Okay.
fireway.
Oh, that is how it's been instructed, sir.
It's been instructed. There is no allocation for drip
Machine say the tofu.
Yeah, the tofu or dabi.
So you are telling us exclusively, say, drip machine now by office for the past 7 to 8 months now. It has been working continuously. No? The fuel we use for it is through your lobbying skill.
And the member of parliament.
That's beautiful. Nyankopon ensure.
Thank you.
But before I say bye-bye to you, Honorable, book also town rules.
Into unim, my member, into unim, at the consuntia, Cecilia, Prestea, and Yasha, first. Because to say, machine up could do was an area. No. Prestea, and Yasha, and a quina sign.
Sure.
They are crying. Only if you say, upon your beginning here, and you can make sure some constituency in a sono. It will be a problem we are over the other. Now, the other problem aside resurfacing.
I get you
That
now.
is why the government have decided, and on a member of question, last 2 weeks,
Okay.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama request to say, or say, a few way, the last year, Ghana will be a construction site.
Beautiful.
The contractor is coming on site.
Officially.
Officially, I'm telling you.
On 4040 Trends and Studios.
I'm telling you.
Honorable Mattew, Kofi, Ayeh, SA. Prestea for Mutie.
Exactly.
The contractor is coming on site to get the road done.
Exactly. I'm complimenting what the MP said last 3 weeks.
Okay.
The contractor now are ready. Wabeshe baby and the workers in better. We're mobilizing who we.
So when should we expect
them?
them?
At least by the close of the maybe by the 3rd week of this month.
3rd week of this month.
Close of March. The contractor on the Bogoso Prestea Road will start.
God bless you.
Permanently. Now,
Honorable, some of us, we are not saying this to make you happy, but should you get that road fixed,
thank you very much.
We are ready to go extra any mile, just in your next political aspirations to see it come true. Before we say bye-bye to you, do you have something you have to tell somebody or those of us watching us right here today?
Okay. Some of what I was saying is your man for no enya abotre maye. Ade na ye hu adwuma no ye ade a asɛ ache. Ye ntome mfa mfie baako. Ene bosome kakra em fix side ye ni nyina. Na te sɛ de maka no. Problems na what district ni ye very 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 big. Why? And spread it. Kakra na say how kwan akoko so oyeden onu musuo but you will reach there.
Thank you so much for having you right here. Honorable Mattew Kofi Ayeh, MCE Prestea Huni Valley, the 2nd largest municipal right here in Ghana. Thank you so much for coming, Doc.
Thank you too.